Watch this video before buying any skincare product. This is a genuine review of all the products I have been using for the past few months. So you do not have to worry and blindly you can just go and buy it. फर्स्ट वन इज दिस सेंटेला लाइट क्लेंजिंग ऑयल. ये इतनी ज्यादा प्यारी प्रोडक्ट है, मैंने इसके 2 बॉटल्स मंगा लिए हैं. इट मेल्ट्स माई मेकअप लाइक anything. All I need to do is to just have few pumps in my hand and just face में मुझे इसको लगा लेना है. उसके बाद तो भाई ऐसे 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 मेल्ट मेरे सारे मेकअप को कर देता है. सेकेंड चीज है सेटाफिल की ये जेंटल स्किन क्लेंजर. ये भाई साहब ये इतनी ज्यादा प्यारी प्रोडक्ट है. ये ऑलरेडी खत्म हो चुकी है, मैंने ये रख रखा है. एक और प्रोडक्ट मैंने ऑर्डर कर दिया है. इट इज अ लाइफ सेवियर. I have been using this product for about 2 to 3 years. मैंने ये वाली प्रोडक्ट कभी स्किप किया ही नहीं है. मैं पूरे दिन में एक बार तो ये यूज कर ही लूंगी. जितने भी छोटे छोटे मेरे बम्स के प्रॉब्लम्स हैं, भी एक्ने वगैरह आते हैं, मेरे को कुछ नहीं करना है, बस हल्का सा इसको क्लेंस करके सो जाओ आराम से. उसके बाद मेरे को ना वो दिखने लगता है फेस में चेंजेस. थर्ड थिंग इज टोनी मोलीज मोची टोनर. दिस इज अ सेरामाइड मोची टोनर. ओ माय गॉड, दिस प्रोडक्ट इज अ मस्ट नीडेड. अगर आप ये बड़ी वाली बॉटल नहीं ले सकते तो आप छोटी वाली ले लो. वो 500 के अराउंड आती है, लेकिन आपको श्योरली ये वाली एक बार ट्राई करनी चाहिए. माई फेस रिएक्ट टू ऑल द प्रोडक्ट्स इनिशियली, लेकिन बाद में जाके वो सेट हो जाती है, सेटल हो जाती है. आई डोंट नो, यूज टू हो जाती है शायद. लेकिन ये वाली प्रोडक्ट से मुझे कोई रिएक्शन नहीं, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं आया. और मेरे स्किन को इतना बाउंसी बना देता है ना. दे क्लेम टू प्रोवाइड नरिशिंग एंड मॉइस्चराइजिंग टोनर फॉर बाउंसी स्किन. I agree with this point. They literally provide it. Next one is from Neutrogena. This is the Hydro Boost Hyaluronic Acid Water Gel. This is one of the best moisturizer you can ever try. If you have a dehydrated skin, then you should try it. This is one of the best moisturizer you can ever try. I have been using it in the night. It is a little expensive. It comes around 1100, but you have to have it. This one is the best. Next one is from Biodance. It is a collagen peptide serum. This has been a game changer again. I have been using it in the night skin care. जब आप नेक्स्ट डे उठोगे इसको लगाने के बाद, oh my god, आपकी फेस इतनी ज्यादा फ्लॉलेस लगेगी. You will feel the difference, guys. So if you have a budget, you should try this one. This product genuinely is good. The next product is the most important step in your day skincare, especially when summer is around the corner. This is Minimalist Sunscreen. It has 50 SPF, along with which it has niacinamide, vitamin BF, and vitamin F. This is not sponsored video, but yes, this sunscreen is the best sunscreen. Especially if you have a dehydrated skin, you can go for it. It's one of the best sunscreens in the market. So go and have this product in your hand. And the best part, lip balm. First one is from Laneige. This is always with me. No matter where I'm going, this lip balm is always sticking around with me. This is an invention. I mean, girl, why haven't you tried this lip balm if you have not yet? And if you're looking for a lip balm which is affordable, then go for this Wishcare lip balm. I have been using it for a few months. If you have two-tone lips, then this is going to be helpful a lot. And this is very moisturizing. You do not have to reapply this lip balm. So yes, go for it without even thinking twice. And that's all for this video, guys. One thing I want to share on a special note: if you are using product, then it is okay. If you're not using any product, which is also okay. You do not have to rush yourself or even question yourself for not using any product. It is completely fine. It is good for people who are using. It is completely good for people who are not using. So do not push yourself for using anything. Just stay happy and healthy.